what is UI UX, because like I said earlier, my channel is going to be about UI UX, and maybe later on in the future I might enter into doing music content or stuff. But for now, let's just focus on UI UX. So I've been getting a lot of questions, especially from people I know. What is UI UX? This and that. Um, I'm going to try to explain what UI UX design is in a way that it can be understandable, and I will explain it in a way that me I view it and the way I understand it. So UI UX is like UI UX design is like the process of designing the look and feel of a digital product, like an app, website, and the user's experience with it. Like you are designing something now, you are designing that thing to look good, and at the same time you are designing something to give the best experience to anybody that is using that stuff. Understand? Okay, now for instance, now let me use this video that I'm shooting. For example, I'm trying to shoot my video to look good. Maybe the camera quality to be good, my microphone to be good, my voice to be loud, like to be audible, and at the same time, I'm trying to give you watching it a good experience. Like what I mean by that is that I'm trying to give you a good experience in a way that what I'm saying, the content of my video, are you getting it? Like, are you enjoying it? How is your experience like? Is it giving you what you are looking for? Is it giving you the explanation you are seeking? So that's like how I think I can explain UI UX design to you, to a layman, for him to understand better. That's how I view it. It's like designing something, maybe app, website, this and that, and at the same time trying to give the user, the consumer, a good experience of what they are designing. That's what UI basically what UI UX is. I've tried to explain what UI UX design is. Now let's explain it individual. Like let's explain what UI design is and then what UX design is. Two of them now. The reason why I explained what UI UX is first before explaining what UI design is and then what UX is because these two things now they are not the same, but they work simultaneously with each other. The other one cannot stand without the other one because the UI now, the UI design is user interface design. UI stands for user interface design and it refers to the visual element of a product, such as icons and page layout. UI design focus on making the product look good and be easy to use. Like UI now is emphasizing on I want this thing to be sharp. I want this what I'm designing. I want this my product now. I want this microphone now to look good. And the UI now is not focusing on how on the functionality, like how me now that is consuming this microphone now, how I feel if the microphone is too loud or if it's too itchy or if it's too that. The UI doesn't care about that one. What UI is focusing on is making this microphone look good, making everything that is designing, making the product look good and attractive. Because a product have to attract customer first before the customer will now start talking about the experience of the product. But the product have to attract you first. So UI now is focusing on making this product look good, making the design, making the website, the application, the anything at all that you are designing look good. That's basically what UI design is. Now UX. UX now stands for user experience design. UX design stands for user experience design and it refers to the overall experience of a user, like the overall experience a user has with a product, including how they feel about it. Just like I use this microphone now as an example to explain what UI is. How do I feel using this microphone? Is it giving me what I want? Is it giving me what I want that made me spend money to purchase this? First, the UI, which is the visual element, it looks good. It attracted me to purchase this mic. Now I've bought the mic. How is my UX? How is my user experience now? How is my experience consuming this microphone? Is it giving me what I want? UX design now focus on making the product efficient, enjoyable, and easy to use. Am I enjoying this mic? Is it efficient? Is it easy for me to use? That's what UX is now. This application now, is it easy to navigate? Maybe now it's a bank app. Is it easy to send money? Does the does it take minutes, hours before the recipient receive the money that I sent? So that's what UX is. UX is on the user experience. This is just like, let me just say, UX now focus more on UX designers now focus more on the feedback of the users. They are like the support. If you have a problem, your website is always hanging anytime I want to sign up. Your website is always doing this one anytime I want to sign up. The user experience now will be like, okay, and then let the complaint to the user interface who will design what they designed before. The customers are complaining about this one. So that's how I view UX design and UI design individually. And I'm trying to explain these things in a way that I understand it, in a way that I view it myself. That's basically what I'm trying to do. Maybe now I'm an amateur in this field. A professional now might see this wrong, but in a way, I know I'm making sense in a way. That's just how I see UI UX